Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you stick around and subscribe. Check out my other videos and see what you think. Around here we are all about makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability and every disability. And that's main reason why I started the channel is because I have Parkinson's syndrome, and I wanted to show just because you have some challenges or you don't look just like the perfect airbrush models in the advertisements, that doesn't mean that makeup isn't for you. Confidence through beauty is for everybody who wants it. And another reason why I started the channel is because I wanted to share things that I personally love. And I do giveaways about every 6 to 8 weeks. And so we're doing another giveaway today, but this one's going to be a little different than the ones that I've done before. The ones I've done before, I've shared products that I've really liked. But this time we're celebrating my sister coming to the States and coming to hang out with me. So when she comes here, we go on shop-a-paloozas. We do more shopping than you would believe. Well, some of you are probably good shoppers like we are. So this time I am going to give away 5 $25 gift cards to Ulta. So you guys can participate in the shop-a-thon too. We're going to give away those 5 gift cards, and I am going to end this sharing giveaway. I'm going to end this on April 14th. That's when I'm going to draw the names. And so that way when my sister is actually here, you guys all have your gift cards and we'll all help the economy. So going to give away 5 $25 Ulta gift cards. All you have to do is, 1, be a member of the makeup community. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, and that'll make you a member of the makeup community. We want to grow and be a really, great place where everybody can talk about all things makeup. And 2, in the comments section below, let me know the best way to get a hold of you. So that can be via Twitter, via email, Instagram. Let me know the best way to get a hold of you and let you know if you won. And that's it. It is open internationally. It's open to everybody. So April 14th will be the deadline, and I'll give you little reminders along the way in the videos in case you missed this one. All right, guys, that's it. Good luck to everybody, and I will talk to you in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.